How to sign out of Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign out of Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to sign out of Telegram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Telegram application here, and basically you can currently see that I am signed into my account. So what I need to do is to simply tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen over here, and as I have done that, you'll find another option right here known as settings. So first of all you want to head to settings. Now when you head to settings, depending upon whether you're using Android or iOS, the interface could vary a little bit, where first of all you would need to tap the three dots option from the top right, and right here you'll find an option that says logout. So all you have to do is tap the logout option. You'll find logout and then just tap the logout button to sign out of Telegram. This way you can log out of Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.